sometimes it's so guilty to walk away from friendships na you've benefited so much from. Sometimes it feels na, tama ba yun? Okay lang ba na iwan ko na sila? Eh, marami naman ako natutunan, pero you also have to learn na, wait lang, sometimes it's okay to close a chapter so that you can move on the next versions of yourself that are still waiting to meet you. And of course, sa mga hindi pa nahahanap yung forever people nila, no, or your forever tribe, it's a journey, 'di ba? It's always finding that version of yourself that aligns with those people. So, kung medyo nagfo-fall out, hindi pagkakaintindihan, just talk about it. But not necessarily parang close the chapter simply because you misunderstood each other. So, sa mga low maintenance friendships naman, the only way to evolve, I think, is to always check in on them. Kasi that's sometimes how you know that you still care. Kahit hindi mo na masyadong alam yung in-depth na nangyayari sa buhay nila, the fact that, "Hi, hello, kamusta ka na?" Sometimes it matters, especially in dark times. And that's something that I've also personally witnessed, 'di ba? So parang sana sa mga schoolmates diyan, kahit hindi niyo pa nahahanap yung friends niyo or nagkaka-fall out kayo sa mga friendships niyo, go back to yourself. Na parang, is this are the people that I am with aligning to the who I want to be? And if not, how do I influence them? If they don't want, should I just leave them? Siguro yun yung mga questions na dapat tinatanong natin sa sarili natin.